Yanbu Industrial College (YIC) has achieved yet another milestone by launching its Executive MBA program in collaboration with the University of Indianapolis, Athens campus on December 21, 2011. A stepping stone towards offering educational programs at the postgraduate level, the Executive MBA classes are being held at YIC's new campus, the Yanbu Technical Institute building that has world-class facilities and infrastructure. The Industrial Management Technology Department Head, Dr. Abdul Mulim Al-Zalabani, welcomed the first group of students in the state-of-the-art lecture theatre, which has more of a boardroom than a classroom look about it. Equipped with the latest in technology, including video conferencing facilities and high-speed internet access, the classroom provides the students a cohort model with a high level of realism to ensure that they experience the myriad complexities of real-world decision-making.
It is an executive MBA program that will be of mutual benefit for students as well as the teaching staff, and also help in the development of our curriculums. We have created a workshop setup where students bring real-life problems from their companies to the class. We discuss these problems as case study and find solutions. This will give our students a strong foundation and leadership skills, and they will put those to use every day.
The program has been specially designed for working executives and self-employed graduates within Saudi Arabia. The classes are scheduled on weekend evenings, and the semesters have been carefully planned to minimize inconvenience to working executives. As a result, there has been an overwhelming response from admission seekers in the very first year.
Actually, because the need is there, that's the reason we find a very good response from people about having this program and how we can look at it. But we decided in the college we need to go gradually. We don't need to increase the numbers. Also, such a program can be in the future be delivered for males and females, because also we have a great response from the ladies with the various experience in work environments that they need to pursue that kind of program. We are looking forward when the women campus and the new campus will be opened and the facilities will be available over there.
The program will grant a 2-year master's degree comprising 6 foundation courses, 6 core courses, and 3 concentration courses from a choice of finance, marketing, global supply chain, technology management, and organizational leadership disciplines. Of the 15 courses of 3 credits each, 8 will be taught by the University of Indianapolis staff and 7 by YIC's Industrial Management Technology Department faculty members.
Yanbu Industrial College is an ACBSP accredited college, and that ensures about the standards that are being followed here. Also, the past experience that we had and meeting with the faculty and the staff here makes us very, very comfortable about the work that's being done here.
The students will have an access to a lifetime opportunity to attain an international degree from one of the top universities in the world with the same exacting standards of education to be provided.
As 2 institutions, both being accredited by the ACBSP, and also we have accreditation from the Higher Learning Commission of the North Central Association in the US. These standards are very strict, and so there are certain things that we need to maintain and need to follow, and we can't compromise those. And so we will be applying those things to maintain the quality of the program here in Saudi Arabia.
The seeds of this ambitious and rewarding program were sowed when Dr. Ahmed Dabroum, General Manager of the Royal Commission Colleges and Institutes in Yanbu, signed a memorandum of agreement with the Chancellor of the University of Indianapolis, Mr. Vasilis Botopoulos, in Athens on June 1, 2011. The aim of the program is to provide the students with the necessary skills to both manage a business and make decisions that will help them in moving up in the organizational hierarchy. It is another example of YIC's endeavor to assist the Saudi government in transforming its resource-based economy to a business and education-based one. YIC Media Center report.